Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, this will be short and sweet. Right, so why am I shooting this guys? As you can see from the title, this is my thoughts on the 12.3 inch Android screen. Right, as you know, I changed this screen a few months ago, and so far it has been serving me really well. And for today's episode guys, I'm going to show you all the functions, okay, all the quirks and features of this Android screen, and is it worth it or not? Because I know a lot of you guys out there are thinking, should I change to the 12.3? I'm still using the 10-inch one. Is this really that good and all this? So in today's episode, we'll be showing you a bit more about all the fun features. Alright, so for those of you who are new, guys, please like and subscribe because we have a lot of DIY videos coming up. And for those of you who have been here for a while, drop down in the comments down below. Okay, let us know, okay, what else you want to see, you know, on this channel. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start this video and show you the functions of this Android screen. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so I'm going to turn off the lights down a bit, okay, because this is a little too bright. And you know, you get a bit of a darker image of my face, okay, I hope you guys don't mind. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you some of the, you know, how to use the Android. So first and foremost, you'll be on your factory screen, and then you just press and hold the menu button on the thumb from the iDrive. Yeah, and this is when, you know, you connect to the Android screen. It's connected to the Android Auto now. So let me exit this first. Yeah, so this is the main screen of the Android. Right, so as you can see, the interface is actually very nice and modern. And for navigation, right, okay, you'll be able to see, you know, for those of you who are always using Google Maps, yeah, this would be, you know, a good one for you because you can even download offline maps. Yep, so for me, right, usually when I travel to, you know, Malaysia, yeah, I usually use the offline maps because it can give me the directions as well. Yeah, and the good thing is, it's not laggy also, so you don't have to worry about it being laggy. Yeah, and when you exit from this, okay, the next one will be music. Yeah, over here, right, okay, you can put in your, you know, favorite songs and all this, and there's an internal hard disk where you can download your songs into the Android screen, or you can use your USB thumb drives. For me, I'm using my USB thumb drives because it is easier for me to download my songs and, you know, just put it in the car and listen to it. I have a lot of old songs, don't mind me. Yeah, and another one will be Bluetooth. For this one, right, you can connect all your devices and all this, even your phone. Yeah, so it'll be easier for you to use. Yeah. And for this one, right, we'll be back to the normal iDrive. Yeah, and it is a touch screen, so once you touch, right, you'll go back to the Android screen as well. And apps. This is the place where you can download some of your apps. Yeah, so you can download your own apps over here. And vehicle information. This one will be like an additional display to your instrument cluster. Yeah, and there's a lot of colors you can choose from. Yeah, and I would say it's quite a nice touch to the Android screen for those of you, you know, who love to see, you know, the meter, the exact RPM and all this, yeah, in your car. Yeah, and video. You can watch video as well. This one is the test clip. I don't watch videos, you know, when I'm driving. Then the quality is brilliant. It might turn out a little weird, okay, because of my camera settings, okay, but you know, I'm trying my best here to get the thing to look as normal to you as possible. settings. You can actually do some of the settings over here of the Android. And the Z-Link will be the one that you can do the Android Auto. Yeah, that connects to your phone. So all in all, alright, my thoughts on this Android screen, I feel that it is really a good investment. Yeah, and you know, I've been using it for about a couple of months now. It never failed on me. It didn't give me any issues and all this. So I'm actually quite glad with the item. Yeah, so guys, for those of you who like this item, guys, check out the links in the description down below. I've attached the link in there. And you know, I think there's some sale going on right now, so you'll be getting a better price than me. I mean, those who bought it earlier, because it is more expensive earlier on. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy modding your car. Bye bye.